Hello everyone! So today in English we will continue learning about adjectives. Today we will focus on adjective words that tells us how nouns taste and feel. We learned about adjectives that tells us how a noun looks, smells, and sounds. Today we'll focus on adjectives that tells us how nouns taste or feels. To describe how a noun tastes or feels, you have to ask, what kind? So ask yourself, what kind, to tell how a noun looks, smells, sounds, tastes, or feels like. This is Moji. Moji likes to eat ice cream. So we gave Moji an ice cream. Ta-da! Moji is now happy. How will this ice cream taste like? It will be sweet and delicious. What if we say that this ice cream is chocolatey and nutty? Now, Moji has an ice cream with chocolate syrup and nuts sprinkled on top. How would this ice cream feel like? Well, it's an ice cream, so it will be cold. Maybe the chocolate syrup is sticky. And the cone might be crumbly. Then what if we gave Moji an ice cream that feels spiky or prickly? Uh-oh. Yikes. Now suddenly this ice cream will turn into an ice cream with lots of little spikes. Just like that, adjectives have the power to choose and change how a noun tastes or feels like in a story. So let's now go into our work text. Open up to page 233. So we learned an adjective is a word that describes a noun, and it can answer the question what kind by telling what a noun tastes or feels like. Let's look at the example. Liz ate a sour apple. What kind of apple? Sour apple. So this apple tastes sour. The cold snow fell from the sky. What kind of snow? Cold snow. So this snow feels cold. Let's move on to the next problem. Draw a box around the adjective that answers the question, what kind? Number 1, we drink cold milk. So milk is the noun underlined. But what kind of milk? We know it is cold milk. Very good. Number 2, John ate hot fries. What kind of fries? Hot fries. Number 3, the soft kitten watched the boy. What kind of kitten? The soft kitten. Number 4, we might buy sticky candy at the store. What kind of candy? Sticky candy. Number 5, the children eat the salty chips. What kind of chips? Salty. Let's move on to number 6. Mark the sense that the adjective uses. God gave the bird large wings. What kind of wings? Large wings. But does the adjective large describe how the wing tastes like, smells like, or looks like? And the answer is, it shows us how it looks like. So the wings are large. Number 7, we ate yummy cookies. Does the adjective yummy describe how the cookies sound, taste, or feel? The correct answer is taste. Number 8, Dad drove on a bumpy road. What kind of road? Bumpy road. So the adjective bumpy describes how the road feels or smells or tastes like. I don't know if I want to taste the road, but the correct answer is feel. Now, the rest I want you to try on your own. For number 9, you're supposed to write one adjective your partner used to describe an object on his desk. So we're not in the classroom right now, so we can't do that. So instead, what I want you to do is I want you to choose one object in your desk or on your desk at home, and you're going to draw a picture of that object and write the adjective that describes that object. And the rest is very much similar to what we did in the front page. After you're done, you can try this pick a word adjectives activity that I sent you guys in today's email. And what you're supposed to do is you're going to choose adjectives and fill in the blank to complete the story. And you're going to be choosing some very random adjectives and make this story as silly as possible. For the first story, you can try using the spinning wheel, and I'm going to send you the link in the email as well. So let's try and spin. All right, first one is creepy. 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 Second one. Oh, cheesy. Write down. Cheesy. Next. Enormous. Enormous. Oh, let's make that longer. Spicy. Okay. Spicy. Spicy. All right, well, now we have all the adjectives. Let's read the story. A creepy, cheesy ladybug flew around in the air. Suddenly, there was an enormous swarm of bees around her, so she closed her eyes. When the ladybug opened her eyes, she saw one spicy bee left. Ladybug flew away for her life. That sounds like a very silly story. So what you're going to do after that is you're going to try drawing a picture of this story. I want you to try the other two stories on your own and use your imagination and be very creative with your adjectives. You can use the wheel again if you want to for the second story, but there are only just a couple in here. There are many more other funny adjectives that you can use for the story. So I highly recommend you to try on your own with your adjectives. You can also use the chart that I sent you yesterday. And after that, you can draw the picture to explain your story. All right, that's it for today. Until next time. Bye, everyone.